Throughout 2024, hope has been hard to find. Wars are causing enormous pain, suffering and displacement. Inequalities and divisions are rife, fueling tensions and mistrust. And today, I can officially report that we have just endured a decade of deadly heat. The top 10 hottest years on record have happened in the last 10 years, including 2024. This is climate breakdown in real time. We must exit this road to ruin, and we have no time to lose. In 2025, countries must put the world on a safer path by dramatically slashing emissions and supporting the transition to a renewable future. It is essential and it is possible. Even in the darkest days, I've seen hope power change. I see hope in activists, young and old, raising their voices for progress. I see hope in the humanitarian heroes overcoming enormous obstacles to support the most vulnerable people. I see hope in developing countries fighting for financial and climate justice. I see hope in the scientists and innovators breaking new ground for humanity. And I saw hope in September when world leaders came together to adopt the Pact for the Future. The Pact is a new push to build peace through disarmament and prevention, to reform the global financial system so it supports and represents all countries, to push for more opportunities for women and young people, to build guardrails so technologies put people over profits and rights over runaway algorithms, and always to stick to the values and principles enshrined by human rights, international law, and United Nations Charter. There are no guarantees for what's ahead in 2025, but I pledge to stand with all those who are working to forge a more peaceful, equal, stable, and healthy future for all people. Together we can make 2025 a new beginning, not as a world divided, but as nations united.